There was a king who was handicapped. He was blind in one eye and he was lame in one leg. He had a great desire that someone must paint his beautiful picture and present himself as really immaculate, without defects and perfect vision for the eyes. With this thought, he approached a painter and he said, "Please find out who in this entire kingdom will be able to paint my perfect picture." So this painter went and talked to many painters, artists, that yes, the king wants his image to be painted flawless. But everybody knew that the king was blind in one eye and the king could not walk with one leg. How can you actually paint the picture of a person who doesn't have an eye, who doesn't have a leg, and still show him free from defects and still be authentic? This was a big challenge. So all the different artists were wondering what to do. Practically everybody gave up. Finally, one artist came forward and he said, "King, I am willing to draw this picture." The king was very happy. "So tell me what position I should hold so that you can actually draw a life-size portrait of me which will look as authentic as possible, at the same time flawless." So the artist said, "King, I want you to kneel on one of your legs." So the king kneeled on one leg. So when he kneeled on one leg, automatically the other leg was hidden. So nobody could figure out whether the other leg is there or not there because it was hidden. Then the artist said, "My dear king, hold a bow and arrow in your hand." The king took a bow and arrow in his hand. Then the artist said, "King, now you have to focus on your target, so close one of your eyes." So the king closed one of his eyes, and that eye, which actually was not functioning, was closed shut, and therefore nobody could figure out whether the king had two eyes or one eye. This artist utilized the one healthy leg and the one healthy eye of the king to paint a beautiful picture which was authentic and at the same time flawless. The king came across as being extremely healthy, vigorous, and beautiful. Dear friends, each one of us have this challenge. When we look at circumstances around us, we either have the choice of being overpowered by negativity or burn with unlimited hope. In the Bhagavatam, it is described, "Aham mamasau patireshame suto vrajeshwarasya vittapasati gopyascha gopasah godhanascha me yan mayaya me kumati samegati." When Yashoda Mai saw within Krishna's mouth the entire universe, after Krishna had eaten some dirt, she was thinking, "I'm trying my level best to protect my son from all kinds of calamities. He keeps getting into difficulty." And that time she spoke this, that actually it is only out of false pride I think I am in control, I am the doer. But actually, there is a controller beyond us who is in control of situations and things. We only have one responsibility, that no matter how things turn out in our life, we should not give up. We should continue with great hope, with great joy, with enthusiasm and positivity. Because however negative the picture may be, it depends on the art of the artist, on how he is able to draw out the positive message out of that negativity.